Hello everyone, this is Steven, and I'm going to attempt to auto hack a 2018 Honda Clarity. And what really that means is that being that this is an Android system, you can install other native apps such as Waze, and not that you should do it, but YouTube, or you can do it when you're sitting right on the home screen. So I've never done this before. This is a first, and I'm going to give it a shot. And let's see how it goes. So I'm going to go into my app list over there, and I'm going to go into my browser over there, and then I'm going to enter address, which is www dot autohack.org/vehicles. All right, and let's say go. Now I've already pre-purchased a code for this. It says supported vehicles, and I'm going to say the Civic 10th generation. And it gives instructions right here. Oh, http autohack.org/root. I hit the wrong number, the wrong URL. Okay, let's see. Honda Hack Wireless root. Get started. Please enter code. Now I already pre-purchased this code. I will be entering it here. I just entered the code, and now it's doing something. Hopefully I don't brick my car, that would suck. Alright, I was sweating it out a little bit because it took a long time, but I just got this message on my screen. It said, upgraded to Pro version successfully. All features have been unlocked. Please write down your registration key. And continue. Processing, optimizing settings. And it's asking me to restart this, to reboot it. Okay, so now I'm going to reboot it. Yes. It went totally dark, and now it's coming back on. And now it's completely restarted. It says 12:39. No device connected. I'm assuming the time is wrong because I restarted it. So now if we go to, I'm not even sure, app list, and go to Honda Hack. Wow, look at this. Honda Hack started, and now install or uninstall apps. Install apps online. And now I can hit Waze. I'm going to install Waze. Wow, that's cool. Installation succeeded. Okay. Before we go back and see what else, you have Spotify. I don't know what New Pipe is. A high-weighted YouTube front end. Netflix. MX player. I wouldn't use Netflix while you're driving. Explore File Manager and Google Keyboard. So that's all the apps on this Honda hack. But the other thing you could do is, let's see, steering wheel controls and key remapping. So you can do remapping on your steering wheel controls. You could change all the keys like that. I'm not going to do that right now. It says bypass parking brake. Press here to click to bypass parking brake if the apps were blocked while driving. Oh, that's pretty cool. So you can use apps all while you're driving. Force landscape mode, optimization. I don't know what that is. Free memory. So it gives you some advanced features. I paid $25 for this, by the way. Navigation settings. Lower the music when navigating instructions. It's got all these different GPS settings over there. That's pretty cool. External USB storage setting. Auto Run Manager. That is an app where you could start Waze as soon as you start the car if you'd like. Error fixing. Upgrade to Pro. We did that already. Settings. Wi-Fi settings. Disable the system music player app. Enable ADP. I don't know what some of this stuff is. And that is it. So now, if we go to my apps, there it goes. And we go to, let's try the app list. There's Waze right there. And let's see if it works. A little bit slow, probably first time loading. Oh. Definitely slow. It's probably because it doesn't have, it's loading. There you go, first time. I'm sure it's going to be quicker in the future. Initializing, please wait. And there is Waze on a 2018 Clarity without using any kind of CarPlay hack. Hope you enjoyed this. Take care.